Okay, Mr. Music back. We're still on chapter 6, but now we moved on to problem 10, and this is a two-parter. So let's get into it. Morta, or Marita, not sure how she pronounces her name, works in a florist shop and makes flower arrangements. She puts 10 flowers in each vase, and 2/10 of the flowers are daisies. So I'm going to draw a picture to start off with. Notice I'm not even going into the question yet. Okay, I'm going to draw my vase. Okay, I know there's going to be 10 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not a great drawing, but again, writing on this computer is not easy. So 10 flowers, and 2/10 of the flowers are daisies. So out of these 10, 2 of them are going to be daisies. So I'm just going to put a D next to those 2. So there's going to be 8 that are not daisies, right? If 2 of them are daisies, not daisies, is going to be 8 of them. 2 daisies, 8 not daisies. Okay, let's go to the first question. If Marita makes 4 arrangements, so this is one arrangement. If she does 4 of these, so another 1, 2, 3, 4, just think of this horrible picture being drawn 4 times instead of just 1. How many daisies does she need? Okay, well, if there was 2 daisies in one, there's going to be another 2 daisies in this one, another 2 daisies in this one, and another 2 daisies in this one. Okay, so how many daisies? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 daisies. Now, show how you can check your answer. Well, I've done that here. This drawing is good enough. This checks my answer. I have 2 daisies here, 2 daisies here, 2 daisies here. So I've checked my answer. There's 4 arrangements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one has 2 out of the 10 flowers daisies, 2 daisies, 2 daisies, 2 daisies, 2 daisies. So I've checked my answer. So really, if you did your drawing in here, let's say you did them like this, here's your arrangements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same idea, 2 are daisies, 2 are daisies, 2 are daisies, 2 are daisies. Okay, so I've checked my answer already. That's all it means. Just show how you got your answer, how you can visualize that answer to make sure that 8 is correct, rather than just doing the math in your head, which many of you probably could, and that's great. You see 4 times 2 is 8, so okay, 8 daisies. Well, this is a way to check that to make sure, okay, yeah, that does make sense, it is 8. Okay, I'm going to delete that. Again, you can always go back and rewind the video if you need those marks again. Okay, so that was part A. Part B, last weekend Marita used 10 daisies to make flower arrangements. Okay, 10 daisies to make flower arrangements. How many flowers other than daisies did she use to make the arrangements? Explain your reasoning. Okay, so she used 10 daisies, and remember, if I'm going to draw my picture again, if I have one arrangement, how many daisies are there going to be in one? We just did it in part A. Yeah, 2. So there's one arrangement, that's 2 daisies. One arrangement, 2 daisies. But I need to use 10 daisies, so I'm going to make another arrangement, because remember, I can only have 2 daisies per arrangement. So I make my second arrangement, and again, it's going to have 2 daisies. It's going to be now 4 daisies. Okay, am I at 10 daisies yet? No, so I got to make another arrangement. There's 3. It's going to have 2 daisies. 2, 4, 6 now, not to 10 yet. So I make another arrangement. That's arrangement 4. It looks kind of like a U, but you know what I meant. And that's 2 daisies. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so I'm not at 10 yet. So there's another arrangement, 2 daisies, 2 daisies. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, should I write 10 for my answer then? No, because it doesn't want to know how many daisies. Last problem wanted to know how many daisies. This wants to know how many other flowers. Well, remember from the beginning, there's 10 flowers in each vase. So if I need a total of 10 flowers, 2 of them are daisies. How many will be left over? Well, if you need 10 flowers, 2 of them are daisies, there's going to be 8 additional flowers for each arrangement. So there's going to be 8 more flowers here, 8 more flowers here, 8 more flowers here, 8 more flowers here, 8 more flowers here. So one way I could do that is add up all of these to find out how many other flowers, or I could just multiply 8 times the 5 arrangements, so there are 40 other flowers. Okay. Now again, as far as explaining your reasoning, you just kind of put in words what you did. So I realized there were, and I'm going to run out of space, 8 other flowers per, I'm just going to put an A for arrangement, but you guys will be able to write it out. Per arrangement, and there were 5 arrangements. I ran out of space down there. So in other words, 8 times 5. Other flowers, number of arrangements, 40 other flowers. Okay? Alright, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you again on the next video.